Castillo. Oh, English. Yeah. Shana, go Mitch. No, just kidding. So, Shana, all you have to do is pick, it's either pera, money, or box. Oh, sorry, Mitch.
You're so great.
No, yeah, so you understand it? It's either money or box. Then if you choose money, you need to arrange 3 boxes so that there will be a consecutive price for that or consecutive money. But if box, you can choose in the colored boxes and then there's corresponding price as well in the box.
So, Shana, pera o kahon?
Money or box?
Money or box? Yeah. You choose money or box?
Both.
What do you want? Money or box?
Boxes!
Okay, box. Are you sure for the box? Yeah, alright. You need to choose a box here. Question, Mitch. In the boxes, is there any... May ano ba dyan? May hindi pwedeng manalo? Parang gano'n.
As in zero.
As in zero.
Pwede rin.
Pwede.
Para equal dun sa...
So may pwedeng walang laman,
Yeah.
tapos may magagandang offers din. So, Shana, the box, if you choose the box, it's either there's an empty box or there's a great prize. So again, we will ask you, it's either money or box. Because in money, when you choose the money, you can have 1 peso, 5 peso, or 500, 110, like that. Okay? So money or box? Box, still box. Alright, so without further ado, you can choose any of the boxes that you want. It's either red, blue, pink, or yellow.
There is also
Unicorn. Which one?
Unicorn. Which unicorn?
ticket back to Singapore.
There. Are you sure, Shana? Sure. Ay. Meron. Number 6. So there's a number. What is it?
Number 6 is...
Dun, dun, dun,
Oh,
dun.
there's a corresponding prize.
Christmas package.
Christmas package! Congratulations! So you need to bring it to Singapore. Congratulations! So we'll just hand over to you the Christmas package. Meron na? Alright. Congratulations, Shana.